All right, let's go run. Oh, shoot, that's a bear. Oh, shoot, that's a bear. All right, y'all, it's your boy, Dre, AKA The Running Debo, and today we're gonna get out there and do this 1 mile time trial. It's been a long time, but let's see how this goes. Ready? Let's get it. All right, we're here at the track now. About to go put some shoes on, do the warm up, and get out here and see if we can hit this mile pace. All right, so at the track now, I'm gonna start off a little bit of an easy jog, get the body kind of loose a little bit. You know, I'm a little older, so it takes me a lot longer to warm up than I used to. I warm up in my little Nike Invincibles. Been wearing these now for a few months. Great shoe for easy runs. They do what is necessary, and I kind of beat them up a little bit, so they're kind of rugged. But that's just because I'm in Florida and the weather here is crazy, so expect it. All right, here we go. Out on the track. There's some little warm-up miles. Get ready for a big bang show. Alright. Alright, we out on the track now. Doing a little warm-up mile. Get these legs flowing, cause you know, I'm 40 years old, dog. My body hurts getting up from a chair. So I gotta lubricate these joints a little bit. Then we can get out there and whoop, hit the track. All right, time for some stretches now. It's important to do some dynamic stretches before any type of workout, especially when you're gonna be going all out, pushing the body a little bit harder than normal, you know, so you don't wanna go out there nice and cold because then you're at the risk of injury, and then all that momentum you've gained from training is wasted because now you gotta sit out on the sidelines on the bench. So you see here, I'm doing some stretches, some dynamic stretches here. I'm not very flexible. I can't touch my toes, but you know, it's about effort. So A for effort, but F for mobility. All right, we just got done stretching. So time to put on the shoes. We're going with the Nike Alpha Flies. These are Next Percent 2s. So 2022, 2023 edition model here. So let's see if these give me an extra boost to get above or below that 5-minute threshold. All right, I'm now suited and booted, but you know, in order to be fully ready, gotta take out the shirt. I was told taking off your shirt increases your speed by about 10%, so we're gonna go out there. All right, let's do it. So you know what we're rocking here? We're rocking the #1 Bankai from Bleach. So soundtrack, shout out.
Self-destruct initiated in 3, 2, 1.
All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a rundown commentary of how this run is going. So we start off a little fast, you know, first lap, pushing around like a 4:20, 4:30 pace. I want to get out fast because I know like I don't have the stamina to keep this going for the whole entire 4 laps. But I want to see what I can do the first couple laps to kind of get like a little, maybe like a positive split on this mile. So you see here, it's going pretty fast. Heart rate's pretty low to begin with, but it's expected, you know, first lap, so it should increase throughout the race. Okay, 1 lap done, 400 meters, around 70 seconds. Man, that was tough, man. My legs were hurting. They were killing me. I was like, I can't keep this up for so long. 420, no, ain't happening, bro. But I'm gonna still keep pushing it. You know, I'm gonna see if I can push it through the end. About to slow down a little bit on the second lap, but still around like 4:30 as you see it top. Trying to keep it going. Body's like, okay, we can do this. Mind's like, we can do this. But my training hasn't always been there as far as my long runs, maintaining my stamina. So something I need to work on. But as you see here, slow down a little bit. The pace is starting to dip. Heart rate is starting to increase. But I'm still moving, still keeping it going. Okay, here I am now, halfway done with this mile. Now I'm running around a 5:17, 5:18 pace for after the 800 is over. I'm starting to slow down. It is hurting. My body's like, why are you running right now? It is hot. It is humid. Bro on the right hand side is like, why are you running so fast, man? You're gonna overload yourself. You're going to pass out. You need to stop. My mind, my body said stop, but I can't. We are on this Mission Impossible goal, and we need to get the sub 4 out of the way. Oh, here we go now. Look at this. This is the official countdown here. So I gotta beat this fuse. I got less than 2 minutes now to get to the 1 mile mark on this track. Can I do it? Last lap, y'all. I have no idea if I can do this. My body is hurting. My lungs are caving in. Those block of miles last night are catching up. Those IPAs are in the tank and they are not giving me the fuel I need to keep on going. But we gotta do it, man. We gotta get less than 120 on this last 400 meters to get to our goal. Less than a minute to go. About 0.16 miles to go until the end. I don't know if I can make it, man. This is catching up to me. This is tough. But let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do this, y'all. All right, final stretch coming up here. You can see my breathing is horrendous. I am huffing and puffing like a magic dragon, but you know, let y'all listen to the final ending. Here we go. Yes, yes. All right. Man, that was tough. So did the whole mile trial. And I finished from the 4:59. So less than 1 second away from getting above a 5-minute mile. But managed to go sub 5 today. Felt good today. 12 October. Keep pushing. 40 years old. Run Debo. Subscribe more for more content. All right. Peace.